Have you ever stood in an airport and felt completely lost? Not knowing where to go, not knowing what to say? Today, we follow Lilly, her very first flight ever. Watch, learn, and never be afraid to travel in English again.
Hello, excuse me, is this taxi going to Terminal 2?
Terminal 2? Yes, please, sit down.
Sorry, my bag is, a little big. Sorry.
No problem. I have seen much bigger. Don't worry.
Do you accept cards? I don't have much cash.
Of course. Cards, phone, cash, all fine. No problem at all.
Okay. Thank you. I hope I'm not late. My flight is at 10:30.
10:30? Relax. Traffic is light. Maybe 20 minutes. Maybe less.
Only 20 minutes? Oh, that's good.
Don't worry. I know all the shortcuts. I'll get you there on time.
Okay. I trust you.
So, is this your first time flying from this airport?
Yes, actually, it's my first time flying at all.
First time ever?
Yes, I'm a little nervous.
Completely normal. Flying is exciting and a little scary, but once you're in the air, beautiful. You will love it.
Really? I hope it will be fun. I'm visiting a friend. It's a holiday.
A holiday. Perfect reason to fly. Relax and enjoy every moment.
One more thing. Is the airport very big? I'm worried about getting lost inside.
Yes, it is big, but just follow the signs. Big signs everywhere. And if you get confused, ask someone. People in airports are very helpful.
Follow the signs. Ask someone. Got it.
Are you writing on your hand?
Maybe? Wow, it's really big.
That's the spirit. You will be just fine.
Good morning. Welcome. How can I help you today?
Hello. Good morning. I have a reservation. My name is Lilly.
Perfect. May I see your passport and booking code, please?
Yes. Here is my passport, and the booking code is, it's in my email, or maybe my messages? Oh no. Oh no. Take your time. It's completely okay.
I think I forgot the booking code. I'm so sorry. That's perfectly fine. I can search by your name. Easy. Really? Oh, thank you. I was so worried. Found you. Your seat is 12A. Window seat. A window seat. I always wanted a window seat. Also, is my luggage okay as carry-on? I wasn't sure about the size. Let me check. Yes, it's within the weight limit. You're good to go. Thank goodness. I packed and repacked 4 times last night. 4 times? That is very organized. Is this your first time flying? Yes, it's actually my first flight ever. How exciting! First flights are special. Don't worry, just follow the signs. Follow the signs. Are you writing on your hand again? The taxi driver told me to do that. Smart driver. Okay, boarding starts soon. Your gate is gate 5. Security first, then follow the signs. Gate 5. Gate 5. Gate 5. You are doing wonderfully, Lily. Have a beautiful first flight. Thank you. Thank you so much. Excuse me. Do I need to take off my shoes?
Yes, shoes off, and place your bag flat on the belt.
Like this?
Perfect. Do you have any liquids or electronics in your bag?
Yes. I have my laptop. And I have a water bottle. A full one. I completely forgot.
No worries. You can drink it now or throw it away.
It's my favorite water.
Take your time.
Okay, done. Is that okay?
That works. Laptop in the tray too, please.
Oh, no.
Do you have coins or a watch?
Oh, my watch and my belt. Sorry.
It's okay. Take your time.
Whew. Oh, thank goodness.
See? You did it. Well done.
That was so stressful.
First time at security?
Is it that obvious?
A little, but you did great. Gate 5. Go straight, then turn left.
Straight, then left. Gate 5. Got it. Thank you. Excuse me. Is this Gate 5?
No. Gate 5 is in the next corridor, just down there.
That way?
Yes, straight, then turn left.
Straight, then left. Thank you. Gate 6? Wait, that's wrong. Excuse me, did you say this is Gate 5 or Gate 6?
That's Gate 6. Gate 5 is back that way.
Oh, no. Thank you. Sorry, me again. I went the wrong way. Gate 5, where exactly?
Right there. See the sign?
Oh, I see it. Oh, thank goodness. Excuse me, is this the line for boarding? Flight 1030?
Yes, are you Lily?
Yes, how did you know?
We were just about to call your name. You're the last passenger.
I'm so sorry, I got a little lost.
It's okay, you made it. Boarding pass, please. Welcome aboard, Lily. Seat 12A, window seat. Enjoy your very first flight.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Lily survived the taxi. She survived check-in. She survived security. She found her gate. Now she steps inside the plane. She walks to row 12. She looks at seat A. And someone is already sitting there. What will Lily say? Will she find the right words in English? Find out in part 2.